Ọ̀yọ́ state money la fi ṣe ọ̀nà láti Ìgbò road yìí títí tó fi dé Adégbàyí. Àìná ẹ̀rí ibi tí wọ́n gbé sùkúù sí, mo fẹ́ lọ yọ nígbà yẹn. Mo rò wípé tí mo bá yọ àwọn alágbára wọ́n á stop wa because federal road ni. Tó mo fi sùkúù sílẹ̀ pé àwọn tá máa lo ibẹ̀, they are Ọ̀yọ́ state people, they are not federal people. Wọ́n ti dáwọ́ yẹn padà fún wa sí o, wọ́n á ṣe ní 1.2 billion láti gbà lọ́wọ́ federal government lórí ọ̀nà yẹn. And I've also approached them. Ẹ jẹ́ àṣẹ́dé border Ọ̀yọ́ state ní Àṣejìrẹ́. I hope they will listen to us. If they give us the approval, this administration will ensure that that road will extend the border of Ọ̀yọ́ state. Now I know that many of you have had ongoing conversations about the 110-kilometer Rashidi Ládọ́jà circular road. And sometimes misconceptions about what it represents. Let me use this opportunity to again explain why this circular road matters. It is not just a road project, it is an economic backbone. We're not only constructing a highway, we're building a corridor of opportunity. Àfẹ́ jẹun ọmọ nínú oyún. We're creating a space where industries, estates, and logistic hubs will emerge to support the growth of our city over the next 20 years. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ rí plọ́ọ̀tì kan tó belong sí Seyimakinde ẹgbẹ́ síta. Some have asked, why keep land aside for an investment corridor? The answer is very simple. Cities that fail to plan for tomorrow are soon swallowed in the chaos of today. That is the next time they bá ń bọ̀ láti Ifẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ lọ s'Abẹ́òkúta nínú ìdí àti dé Ìwòrò níbí. Ọ̀bádékú títí dé TECU is a high movement corridor, 16 minutes. Only every on the circular road. So this corridor is not for me or for any individual. It is for the generations that will come after us. It ensures that as Ibadan grows, development happens in an organized and sustainable way. Àwọn kan ti politicize ẹ̀ ń ṣe protest. Ṣé àwọn tó bá nílé tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ wọn ò ní lọ síbi iṣẹ́ wọn? Ó ti di third day tẹ́ ṣe protest. Ó yẹ ká mọ̀ pé àwọn kan ló ń fún wọn lówó, àwọn kan ló ń sponsor wọn. And let me say, I will not talk to you, this secretariat or anywhere else, but I am coming to that circular road corridor to engage with the real people who are there. As you may already know, this project is a continuum, not the work of one administration, but part of a 20-year development journey for your state. And our job is to keep that vision alive responsibly and sustainably. Mo ti gbọ́ orúkọ jẹ́ pé ní o, ẹ̀mí land grabber, thief, and even worse things. But leadership sometimes means taking the blows today, sake of the future that we believe in. Yet we have made concessions. We have reviewed the 1 kilometer full width of the right of way and its corridor, which was acquired in 2017. Mi ò tí mọ̀ ẹ́ pé bóyá máa di governor àbí mi ò ní di governor as of that time. And that idea of the circular road has been there since early 90s. Tó bá easy ní some administration wọ́n á ti ṣe káwa tó dé. We know it's not going to be an easy journey. But that is over 2 billion. I've seen videos, even àwọn tí ò mọ Ìbàdàn, wọ́n ṣe fídíò lórí circular road. Kí ló kàn wọ́n? Now we have said it, we will incorporate communities tó bá ti wà densely populated. And from next week, I'll start taking our mortgages, àwọn olóyè Ìbàdàn, CCII, gbogbo wa à ń lọ síbẹ̀. So because when we build roads and supporting infrastructure, we're not just connecting places, we're connecting people and possibilities. And finally, gbogbo àwọn tí a achieve as an administration. First, I thank you, the people of Oyo State, and my team, commissioners, advisors, permanent secretaries, civil servants, for your support. It is a proof that Oyo State can build, can plan, and can finish strong. So I want to thank everybody who has been part of this journey, our engineers, contractors, transport unions. Your patience and faith has sustained us. And ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ send messages sí mi wípé má wọrí ìyẹn tí wọ́n bú ẹyẹ o. We are with you. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin náà. That has sustained me and kept me going. Because a lot of people dey feel pé Seyi is a strong man, but I'm also human. Sometimes ìjọba kú mi máa ń dùn mí. Mo fẹ́ lo àsìkò yìí láti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá mi, His Excellency President Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, for honoring us with your presence, Daddy. Your belief in infrastructure as a tool for national transformation has inspired many of us to walk this same path. So we're not just witnessing a commissioning, we're witnessing history in motion. And I believe that when history remembers this moment and the work we've done together, it will be kind to us. So my youth podium for my father, Baba President Olusegun Obasanjo. Thank you and God bless you.